Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. Today we have a very useful video. If certain apps on your Windows 11 computer are looking blurry, stretched, or pixelated, it can cause a lot of eye strain. I will show you exactly how to adjust your registry, compatibility settings, and graphics profiles to make your apps look perfectly crisp again. Let's get started. First, we will tweak a hidden Windows setting that controls how apps scale on your display. Click your Windows search box, type in Registry Editor, and hit Enter to open it. In the left panel, navigate to H-key Current User, expand Control Panel, and then click on the Desktop folder. On the right side, scroll down and double-click the file named Win8DpiScaling. Change the value data to 1 and click OK. Next, right-click any empty space on the right side, select New, choose DWORD 32-bit value, and name it exactly LogPixels. Double-click this newly created file, change its value data to 78, and click OK. Restarting your computer after adding these files forces Windows to apply a much sharper scaling algorithm across all of your older apps. If only one specific app is blurry, like Google Chrome for example, you can fix it individually without changing your whole system. Click your Windows search box, search for the blurry app, right-click on it, and select Open File Location. Right-click on the app's shortcut in that folder and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab at the top and click the button that says Change High DPI Settings. Check the box at the very bottom that says Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Make sure the drop-down is set to Application and click OK. This tells Windows to let the app manage its own resolution instead of forcing a stretched, blurry display over it. If things are still fuzzy, your computer might be prioritizing speed over visual quality. Click your Windows search box, type exactly sysdm.cpl, and hit Enter to open the Advanced System Properties window. Under the Advanced tab, click the Settings button inside the Performance section. Simply select the option that says Adjust for Best Appearance, click Apply, and then click OK. This immediately enables all the built-in Windows font smoothing and shadow effects that might have been accidentally turned off. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, right-click your empty desktop background and open the NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings on the left, click the Program Settings tab on the right, and select your blurry app from the drop-down list. Find the setting called Anti-Aliasing-FXAA, turn it off, and hit Apply. Finally, click your Windows search box, type in ClearType, and hit Enter to open the Adjust ClearType text tool. Just check the box to turn it on, click Next, and choose the text samples that look the sharpest to your eyes to perfectly optimize your monitor's text rendering. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.